calling all pet parents and cleaning enthusiasts. Are you tired of wrestling with cords and struggling to reach hidden dirt and pet hair? The BISSELL CleanView XR Pet might be your new cleaning companion. This cordless stick vacuum boasts a powerful motor, versatile cleaning modes, and a focus on pet hair removal, making it a compelling option for pet-filled households. Let's delve deeper into the functionalities, potential limitations, and overall effectiveness of the BISSELL CleanView XR Pet to see if it's the perfect match for your cleaning needs. The BISSELL CleanView XR Pet prioritizes freedom and convenience. It features a powerful 300 watts motor, boasting a 60% advantage over the Shark Eye by 411. This translates to effective cleaning performance, especially for pet hair and debris. The removable 24 volts lithium-ion battery offers up to 40 minutes of runtime in standard mode, allowing you to tackle cleaning tasks throughout your home without being restricted by a cord. Versatility is another key strength of the BISSELL CleanView XR Pet. It seamlessly transforms from a stick vacuum to a handheld vacuum, perfect for tackling messes on furniture, stairs, and even in your car. The inclusion of 3 specialized tools further enhances its versatility. The deep cleaning Furbrush, a notable addition, tackles pet hair on upholstery and other surfaces with ease. The dusting brush, crevice tool, and bristle brush round out the toolset, allowing you to reach tight spaces and clean various surfaces effectively. The BISSELL CleanView XR Pet understands the challenges pet owners face. The deep cleaning Furbrush, coupled with the Tangle-Free brush roll, effectively removes pet hair from carpets, upholstery, and other surfaces. This minimizes shedding and hair tumbleweeds, a constant battle for many pet parents. The SmartSeal Allergen System adds another layer of value by trapping dust and allergens while you vacuum, creating a cleaner and healthier environment for you and your furry companions. The BISSELL CleanView XR Pet isn't just powerful, it's designed with user-friendliness in mind. The swivel steering feature enhances maneuverability, allowing you to navigate around furniture and tight spaces with ease. The LED headlights illuminate dimly lit areas, ensuring you don't miss any hidden dirt or pet hair. When you're finished cleaning, the convenient wall mount with flexible charging provides a dedicated storage space for the vacuum and its attachments. BISSELL takes pride in their commitment to helping homeless pets. With every BISSELL CleanView XR Pet purchase, you contribute to the BISSELL Pet Foundation's mission of finding loving homes for pets in need. This adds a feel-good factor to your purchase, especially for pet lovers who appreciate companies that give back. While the 40-minute runtime in standard mode is impressive, it might be limiting for very large homes. Additionally, the cleaning path width might not be as wide as some upright vacuums, potentially requiring more passes for spacious rooms. These are minor trade-offs to consider when evaluating if the BISSELL CleanView XR Pet aligns with your specific needs. Overall, the BISSELL CleanView XR Pet is a strong contender for pet owners and busy households seeking a powerful, cordless, and versatile cleaning solution. Its ability to transform into a handheld vacuum, the deep cleaning Furbrush, and the Tangle-Free brush roll make it a lifesaver for tackling pet hair. The extended runtime, user-friendly features, and support for the BISSELL Pet Foundation add to its overall value proposition. While the battery life and cleaning path width might be limitations for some, the BISSELL CleanView XR Pet offers a compelling option for those seeking a convenient and effective way to combat pet hair and keep their homes clean. If you're a pet parent or simply value a powerful and versatile cordless vacuum, then the BISSELL CleanView XR Pet is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.